Oh God. Oh man, it's immediately horrible. Like good, like a good horrible. Like
Smaller on the outside.
see what we got. Fuck you. We're gonna start with Dawson's hot sauce, a cedar smoked garlic. The crew at Dawson's hot sauce has contributed some of our most flavorful and, for Alton Brown, controversial sauces in Hot Ones history. Now they're back with a masterpiece of smoky, woodsy, peppery flavor with a hint of savory garlic. This smoked number is all you need for topping roasted salmon, pork roast, warm winter stews, and even a bagel with schmear. Trust us. Habaneros make it pretty hot for a number 2 sauce. Watch out now. Cool. This shit. Dawson's hot sauce. Cool. Oh, it's got like a Maker's Mark, like wax seal on the top. That's cool. Oh, this does smell really good. Smoky, indubitably. Shake it up a little bit. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, smoky, sweet barbecue. Really good. Then the heat of the habaneros. Ooh. So it seems like it'll build. That's for sure. Ooh, yeah, it's just settling in and like coating. Wow, it's a really simple hot sauce, but super good. Just white wine vinegar, habanero, garlic, onion, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, and sumac. Yeah, it's like a medium. It's like 5 out of 10. Yeah. Very good. This could, honestly, you can put this shit on fucking anything. Yeah, you can put this shit on anything. So number 2. What the fuck is this? Number 2, we got the Angry Goat Phoenix. Vermont goat farmers turned hot sauce masterminds. Angry Goat has caught many a celebrity's eye for their whimsical labels. Returning with what may be their most distinctive recipe yet, Angry Goat's Phoenix features cantaloupe and ginger. Oh yeah, okay. That's right. Melon and hot sauce. Team Heat has been obsessed with this since we first got the sample. Will you feel the same? Yes. Yes, you will. Especially once you try it on salad, shrimp, anything with prosciutto. It's a traditional Italian pairing. Cool. Cantaloupe and ginger. Okay, it's a cantaloupe, ginger, and Scotch bonnet. Got cantaloupe melon, distilled white vinegar, lime juice, yellow Scotch bonnet mash, orange blossom, peaches, sweet onions, olive oil, ginger root, datil pepper powder, sea salt, garlic powder. Shake well, refrigerate after opening. Okay. Angry Goat Pepper Company, the Phoenix, cantaloupe melon, Scotch bonnet, hot sauce. Let's try this. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice little pop. Good seal. Ooh, I can definitely smell the ginger. It smells real good. It smells really good. Oh man, if all of my food smelled like this, I'd be okay with it. This smells really good. Oh fuck. fuck off. That is so good. Ooh. Hot. Ah. Oh, that's dangerous. That is dangerous, dude. Oh, fuck off. Oh, man. Oh, it's so deceptive. It's so deceptive. But, like, it's like you immediately realize it. You're like, damn, this is delicious. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, it's hot. Oh, God. That's awesome. I mean, Scotch bonnets are, like, they're such a dangerous pepper because, like, they can be very subtle or they can kick your ass. So, like, it just depends on, like, the kind of balance that you strike with your sauce. But, like, this is, like a burst of just absolutely delicious flavor. I don't necessarily get a lot of the melon. I think it just adds the sweetness and some of the, I guess, kind of pulp to the hot sauce. But, like, I mostly get ginger. And it just is like really delicious kind of savory flavor around the ginger. It's a really like well balanced sauce. I honestly think that the lime is probably what it actually cuts through the cantaloupe flavor, which is slightly disappointing because I love cantaloupe, but no, I guess there's still a little aftertaste of cantaloupe. I don't know. It's a fruity kind of like, it's a tropical like aftertaste that's left there while your mouth is fucking burning. Like this is, yeah, this is dangerously good because it's like packed full of amazing flavor, but also just like, oh, yeah, dude, that hit hard. That was good. It's really good because like, yeah, it's just like, oh man, this is really, oh shit, like punches you right in the mouth. Okay. All right, this is Pucker Butt Pepper Company's Extra Mean Green. All right, we're doing the Extra Mean Green. Too often, when we find a new green sauce, it's a bit tame on the heat. That's true. It's very true. As chilies ripen from green to their final color, their heat matures too. So folks searching for a spicy verde can run into trouble. Well, everyone's favorite mad pepper scientist is fixing that with this ghoulishly green and downright mean stinger of a sauce. Oh shit. Okay. A blend of just shy of ripe verdant green pepper X and Apollo pepper is enough to haunt even the toughest chili heads. Oh god. But the real trick is that it tastes so good you'll be drawn back for more. Even, oh god, it's gonna be another one. It's like super good, but like punches me right in the fucking mouth. I'm already sweating. The Scotch bonnet. Oh, fuck off. Okay. Oh, hot green pepper mash, green chili peppers and vinegar. Still vinegar, onions, and garlic. That's it. It's just peppers and stuff. Okay. Oh, this smells so fucking hot, dude. Okay. It smells really good, but it smells stupid fucking hot. Like, it smells so hot. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just peppers. It's just peppers. Oh god. Oh man, it's immediately horrible. Like good, like a good horrible. Like just, it's immediately just fucking hot. It's just, oh man. Sons of bitches. Sons of bitches. Oh fuck. That's so hot, dude. It's so hot. Oh man. Oh, that's the Pepper X and Apollo. It's very good, but like the only thing you taste is you're like, oh, that tastes like fresh peppers. Then heat. Like you're just like, oh, I just put peppers in my mouth. Fuck! And it's just fire. It's just fire. It's just absolute fire. Yeah, just straight fire now. Like, it just coats. Oh, it's insanely hot, dude. Like, my lips, the tip of my tongue, like, they're just burning and going numb. Yeah, that is a very dangerous hot sauce. Have you going back for more my ass, dude. Oh, that's a brutal hot sauce. I can feel like all the dopamine and the endorphins and like the sweat. Like, it's. Yeah, we about to get spice drunk. My whole mouth is numb. My fucking tongue, like, it's just numb. My lips, it's my tip of my tongue is just tingling. Oh, it's brutal.
Smaller on the outside.